My breast is barking.
Your what is what?
I have an idea. Look.
No.
We're gonna do this, right? And then we're gonna do this.
What do I do?
I'm sorry, Yuri. I wasn't thinking.
Stop masturbating, bro.
What the fuck?
Item assign. Sometimes they see a femboy, but they always have like the same fucking outfit. What do you mean
Actually,
W?
No, not W.
What
Not
the
W.
fuck, you?
Is it?
Fucking roleplay.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay, let me see.
My eyes. Okay, sir.
Where'd
so
you
your
go?
order is spicy chicken tenders, mac and cheese, and mashed potatoes. That'll be $12.75.
No fucking way.
Yeah. Hey, we get it. You're on spring break.
What is
Save them
happening?
for the rest of us. Also,
Oh,
I
the killer
finished
was
editing.
getting back shots.
Finished editing all the photos. I'm gonna send it to my friend now.
You were getting back shots?
No, the killer, not me.
Oh.
That's
Like, I never really played the Pokemon games, but Jade has.
Yo.
That's 100% on everything. She's fucked. She's getting fucking cream pie, bro.
okay. Yo.
I'm about to fuck the shit out of this hole.
6-7 links.
What? 6, 7. Oh shit! What's happening?
That's the acronym.
Yo. Oh, whatever. I'll just keep playing the game.
What is
Go check the fucking building, bro. Don't play the game.
Bro, I gotta finish the dialogue.
Bro, right.
No. Yo.
Tiny bit. We'll put that on a bit back. Probably the 7.
6,
I'll
7.
probably be still. 6, 7? Oh. I thought you.
Sorry.
But what about the 5 guys?
Okay, well,
Dave is one of the 5 guys.
he's like the DLC.
The way how Mike makes his sandwiches, he can make me after that any day.
Yo, right? He can make. Oh, wait. T. Are you in the game?
Dog. No, bro. I'm just now loading in, bro.
That's crazy. Is there?
Oh shit!
What the? Oh my god, these guys gotta get out of the way, bro.
What? What is it? This...
Your car just
Yo,
fucking...
it's drivable. It's drivable.
Sex, and then listing 2 characters, Ryomen Sukuna and Toji Fushiguro having something. Seems like they're getting cozy. Notifications are all repeating the same thing over and over again. It's a bit much, don't you think? Yeah. Notifications are in a light blue background and have little pictures of the characters. Each character says, just next to it. There's also an X to close the notification. It seems like they're having some fun. Yeah,
I'm gonna ignore I said characters instead of notifications.